This is going to be my first, well, not really first time skiing because I have skied a little bit before, but maybe one of my first times being on a dry slope. As you will be able to see behind me, there we go. So I'm using CARV, and this is going to be my first run at the beginning of using CARV. Okay, so that's been me maybe about an hour and a half up to 2 hours of riding. Let's see where CARV has got me up to. So this time I'm now on my bench hitlers. So we'll just see how I get on with them. It's going to be like one of my last ones anyway. The advice I'm getting from CARV is just keep my tips or my skis together as I'm going down. So we'll see how that goes on when as I head down. Right, so that's me finishing up here at the Glasgow Ski and Snowboard Centre. Trying out the CARV, trying out my skis, seeing how I get on, getting feedback. Obviously it's very different to riding on snow, but we will continue and see how much progress I make in the next couple of weeks.